What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well and safe. I was very excited to shoot this video because everybody in this world wants to live a happy and a prosperous life. And in this video, I'll be sharing 7 happiest countries in the world. It means people who are living in these countries are extremely happy, they are rich and living a good standard of life. And I'll be giving these facts based upon the World Happiness Report, which is given by United Nations. And I am very much sure that you will keep smiling and enjoy this video till the end. So let's get started now. Number 7. Sweden. It is one of the happiest country in the world because of things like the economy, climate, sustainability, life expectancy and the good quality of life. Sweden is one of the most sustainable countries in the world. Again, 99% of their waste is gone to recycling. According to Forbes magazine, Sweden is the second healthiest country in the world with an average life expectancy of over 80 years. Sweden has beautiful winters. February is usually Sweden's coldest month where temperature can drop to minus 30 degrees Celsius or lower. Number 6. Switzerland. Switzerland was also ranked second best in the world for conducting business and was considered the second most trustworthy country. Switzerland has low crime rates and great standard of education and healthcare. It is easily one of the most beautiful countries in the world, no matter when you are visiting. It is always overflowing with snow-capped, majestic mountains and valleys too. Rivers run through the countryside, making it more stunning than ever. Many tourists come to the country simply to adore its beauty. Switzerland has low unemployment and one of the highest GDP per capita in the world. Number 5. Netherlands. Netherlands is one of the famously relaxed and welcoming country. It continues to be one of the happiest places in the world. It has endless amazing beaches, flowers, windmills on the northern islands. There are many expats living in Amsterdam, which in my opinion is the best place to live in Netherlands. Surprisingly, Netherlands is a country that has no one to put behind the bars. 7 years ago, in 2013, Netherlands had 19 prisoners only, and now in 2020, this country does not have any criminal. Furthermore, it is the country with the best work-life balance, according to the OECD Better Life Index. The quality of life in Netherlands is an important factor in the country's business climate and thereby contributes to attracting foreign companies. Number 4. Iceland. Iceland is also a very peaceful nation. They have never had an army. There is a high level of trust in the society too. Children can go places freely and play outside without any supervision. The current population of Iceland is approx 3.6 lakhs as of July 11, 2020. More than 60% of the Icelandic population lives in the capital city, Reykjavik. Iceland was recently ranked one of the eco-friendliest countries in the world, and almost all of the electricity in Iceland is produced using renewable energy resources. Another important factor related to happiness is health, and the health status in Iceland is quite good as compared to other countries. Iceland has the lowest infant mortality rate in the world and one of the highest life expectancies. Number 3. Norway. Norway is actually known for being the place with the highest living standards. It is one of the world's most prosperous countries where oil and gas production account for 20% of its economy. It also has extremely low unemployment rates as compared to other countries in the world. Hourly rates of pay in Norway are extremely high, which also makes it an extremely productive country. It is ranked as one of the best countries to live in and has one of the lowest crime rates in the world. Norway is also rated high for its literacy rate, educational level and material health. Number 2. Denmark. If I talk about the Danish lifestyle, the Danes are the happiest and most satisfied people on earth. Everyone in this country benefits from a well-functioning welfare system which provides free education and healthcare among other things. Denmark has a high level of equality and a strong sense of common responsibilities for social welfare. People here are more health conscious and love to spend time with nature. Denmark has the third best highest education system in the world and the literacy rate is placed at 99% for both men and women. Number 1. Finland. Once again, Finland has ranked number 1 in United Nations World Happiness Report. Finland may not be the biggest or the most powerful nation in the world, but it has plenty to offer that other countries do not. Finland is also a very desirable destination for women, as it is the second most gender equal countries in the world and the second best place in the world for mothers. The current population of Finland is approx 55 lakhs as of July 2020. Finnish schools make sure that all students have equal opportunities to school with the same quality. There are no rankings among schools in Finland. Students go to the school that is closest to their home, and when they get older, they choose the university based on their interest of studies. Finland has been rated as one of the safest, happiest, most eco-friendly and most stable countries in the world. Hey, thank you guys for your love and support. Keep sharing my video. Please subscribe my channel if you have not yet. And stay happy, stay safe, keep smiling. Bye bye.